Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gamdias Neso P1 Pro Full Tower Chassis. So friend, Gamdias has announced Neso P1 Pro Series, the latest evolution of groundbreaking Neso series of lifestyle cases and building of legacy. The began with the world first dual orientation case debuted at Computex 2023 and recent Pro upgrade. The Game Diaz continue to push boundaries with the Rezo P1 Pro, and we aim to deliver the case that seamlessly combine high performance with user-friendly design. So friend, the Neso P1 series feature a fully proprietary mesh panel for flexible intake or adjust configuration equipped with 3 AOLUs, P2 fans and 8 into ARGB and PWM fan hub. It's deliver powerful cooling performance while offering customizable and synchronized RGB lighting and with support for up to 10 fans and radiator up to 420 mm and the case optimized for next generation cooling solution, ensuring your system runs at a peak performance and designed for cutting edge configuration. The Neso P1 series offer extensive support for E80s motherboard up to 310 mm in width and high performance GPU up to 426 mm in length, and the case is equipped with 8 into 8 rotatable PCI slots and making it easy to install GPU vertically and horizontally, and hidden 90 mm deep compartment offer ample space for exceptional cable management with user-friendly cable duct position and velcro strap to ensure a clean and streamlined build. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.